Hi, I'm Dr. Marcellino D'Ambrosio, otherwise known as Dr. Italy, and I'm here to invite you to Italy this September 2014. We're going to be leaving the United States, heading to the center of the Renaissance, Florence. We're going to see the art of Michelangelo, but see it from a Christian perspective and understand its profound meaning. And from there, we'll be traveling to the city of St. Francis in Clare, Assisi. And the medieval magic of that town will be caught by us as we stay there, seeing the sunrise, visiting the tomb of St. Francis, the place on the mountainside where he and his friars would go to be in communion with God, the places where he preached to the poor. And then we'll be heading to Orvieto, the site of one of the greatest of all Eucharistic miracles, the miracle that gave rise to the Feast of Corpus Christi. And then from there, our destination will be Rome. We'll be visiting the mountaintop monastery of St. Benedict outside the city, and inside the city, the tombs of Peter, Paul, the catacombs, and finally, we'll have a wonderful audience with our Holy Father, Pope Francis. So from St. Francis to Pope Francis, a journey of spiritual renewal, of cultural enrichment, a journey of prayer and spirituality. It's a special trip. This is one, if you've ever been to Italy, this will be different than anything you experienced before. So come with us. I'm inviting you now personally. Visit the Crossroads website and find out about dritaly.com is the website address. Find out about exactly where we're going, what we're doing, and get your registration in very soon because this trip will fill up. Come with us to Italy.